Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a fall makeup look. Very simple, soft with a pop of red. Just click to this video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. First thing I'm going to do is apply primer. Last time I almost forgot. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. Why? Because I don't know. We're going to start with the eyes because we want the edges of the eyes to be nice and neat, so that's why we're going to start with the eyes. You guys know that usually we start with the face. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the Maybelline Fit Me primer concealer and apply it on my lids before starting with the makeup on the eyes. I'm going back right now again with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I stopped using it. So the first palette I'm going to use is the one from R.E.M Beauty, their Chapter 1 collection. It's called Principesa. I'm going to start with this shade, this color. I don't know what its name because I don't have its box. But tape, but it's all the way over there and I don't want to go right now all the way over there to do it. So we're going to do like the old way and just play with paper. I know you're not supposed to do this, but when you don't have something, just make it work. So just adding this light brown on the crease. This is the issue when you have small palettes, compact palettes that are really easy to just throw inside your bag. I don't know if you guys like to have the names on each eyeshadow of a palette, or you just like don't care. But I actually like it because I don't know, I just like it. I'm gonna do now the same thing on the side. Like, I know there's no more space and I know it's a small palette, then I get it, I understand. Then comparing with a bigger palette where there's space, and making the eyeshadow intense on the middle part of the crease. After that, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna continue with the R.E.M Beauty. I'm gonna use this dark brown and easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just apply it on the lid. You guys are excited for fall? Just applying it on the lid. Start blending it with the crease. Do you guys are excited for fall? Like here, it's getting chilly. Temperature just dropped from a day to another, just drastically. And oh my god, I was cold in the morning. Like, I was prepared. I had a legging, I had a t-shirt to go out and run in the morning. But moving on with another palette, I'm gonna go with the Rudolph Red-Nosed Reindeer ColourPop palette. This was your last collection for Christmas, and I'm gonna use this palette because I want to use Ready Santa, which is this darker brown, and with an angle brush we are going to do a cat eye very close to the lashes, just to give another pop of brown. After that, I'm gonna start applying mascara on my top lashes because I like my lashes with mascara to be dry enough when I apply falsies. I like the lashes to be super dry with the mascara before starting with the face. Let's continue with the face. We're gonna stop a little bit on the eyes. I'm gonna go with the new R.E.M Beauty Sweetener Concealer, shade Light 1W. With my sponge, I'm gonna start applying it underneath the eyes or the foundation, just because I want to have more coverage, and this is the first time I'm using it. And this concealer, it's really bright. So because I have really dark circles, I don't like to apply it all over my under eyes because I feel like it still makes them pop more. So I'm gonna try and do this the opposite way. Really quick, using this creamy concealer, cover the pimples. Now for the face, for foundation, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. This is in the shade Light 240W. I feel like this one, it's going to be too light because the tan hasn't gone away. after the vacations. Oh, feels so nice. This one is a new one. Okay, so I'm gonna combine with another tint. So we have the actual shade of my skin color. After that, on top of it, I'm gonna use the Morphe 2 skin tint. I think I'm gonna finish this tint. I really like it. Like, you don't feel like you're adding more product. It's so light. Go with concealer. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer, and I usually mix it with another concealer. This time I'm just gonna use it by itself because I used the R.E.M Beauty before the foundation or the CC cream. Of course, we're going to continue with the contouring. I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics palette, Tulum palette from their travel series, and I'm going to go with the shade Rinas because from this palette, the only one goes really well with my skin tone. Now I'm gonna go with lashes. For the lashes, I'm gonna use these. They're called Petite Wispies. They're not dramatic, they're soft, and because I want the look to be soft, it's cute, simple, but still you still have volume on the lashes. Continue with the face. I feel like I told you guys we're gonna go all over the place. I'm gonna go now with the blush. I'm gonna use this one from Milani. It's the Romantic Rose Powder Blush. I wanted a blush not to be pink but more like a mauve, so because we're going to use a red eyeshadow for this makeup, and plus I like more the mauve blushes than the pink blushes for the fall and winter. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I don't know, I just don't like my cheeks to be so pinky. Peach for the fall, maybe peach a little bit for fall and winter. I like them peach and pink for the summer, but mauve for the winter and fall. Highlighter, I'm gonna use R.E.M Beauty. Apply it on the tip of my nose a little bit on the cheekbone. You guys know that I start doing this with the finger to apply the highlighter. I know some of you are gonna say, this is not the way you do it, but I actually like it. I feel like it looks softer. Just tap it in with the beauty blender on with this pop of red that I told you guys at the beginning of the video. For that, I'm going to use the Beauty Creation the Nutcracker palette. I think they launched this collection 2 years ago or 3 years ago, I don't remember, but it's such a beautiful and very pigmented palette, and I love their red. You guys know that the red, it's really hard to make. I'm going to use the Santa Bay red eyeshadow. I'm going to apply it really close to my lower lashes, but we're gonna make this red a little bit thicker than what is expected and go towards the inner corner of the eye. I'm going to do the same thing on this side, really close to the lower lashes. On top of that red, I'm going to go with the Nikkie Tutorials palette, and I'm going to use the color Aura, and it's because I want to have some shimmer color on my lower lashes. You can skip that part, but I feel like it's gonna give so much to the makeup than just leave it without it. Just grab again the brown from Rudolph, just to go all the way to the inner corner. I'm gonna use the Merit mascara for the lower lashes. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. setting spray. for the lips, really thought I had lip liner, a red lip liner, but I think I finished it. I love the ones from Wet n Wild, so I'm gonna use this. I love this one from NYX. It's a matte lipstick, but it's really creamy. It's called MLS 10 Perfect Red, and what I like to do, or what I do when I don't have a liner, is use a thin brush and start doing the edges of my lips. Now we're gonna go all the way to the lips. And we are done. This is the final makeup look. Soft, brown, fall with a pop of red underneath the eyes and the lips. I think it's such a cute makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really like it, and I'm those girls that I don't really use red eyeshadow, and this is a great way to start using other colors to have fun on the makeup looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.